जब दिल्ली में मौसम पहाड़ों वाला हो रहा है तो फिर खाना क्यों ना हो और वाइब क्यों ना हो. Hi guys, welcome back to Signed Off Switched On, and today I am at Safdarjung Enclave in Pahadi Kitchen and Bistro to try all their Pahadi vibes and the food. So let's get started. For the starters, we had this beetroot chaat, which was so delicious it just melted in the mouth, followed by Himachali Sidhu, and one bite took me straight to Himachal, not even kidding. And then the turn was of this jhol momo. This gravy was so delicious, even the filling was nice. And last but not the least, the delicacy of Pahadi thali.